Hello and welcome. In this video segment, we are going to replace the ABS sensor on the left rear on a 2016 4300 International truck. Now what I'm going to do in this video, I'm actually going to remove the left rear tire. Now you do not have to remove the left rear tire, but I want you to be able to see exactly what all is going on in the video so you can have an actual clear understanding as to what to do, because this channel is all about you saving money and you feeling comfortable making your own repairs. If you're not a subscriber, just hit that button, become a subscriber right away. So let's begin. Chuck block one of your front wheels. Engage your parking brake. We are going to work on the rear transmitter speed sensor on the left side of the vehicle. Connector located here. The location of your left rear speed sensor is here. We'll lift the vehicle. Again, removing the left rear tires is not necessary. Slowly lower the vehicle down on jack stands. Do not rely on a jack only. Remove the left rear tires. This way, you have a clear picture at what needs to be done to remove your ABS sensor. Next, we're going to use a pair of pliers. We're going to rock the ABS sensor back and forth while we pull it out. Remove the tie straps from the cable. Last but least, remove the upper clamp and disconnect the harness. This sensor is called transmitter speed sensor, wheel sensor, or ABS sensor, whichever you prefer. We have an insert right in the hole the ABS came out of. We need to remove this insert. Any tool that has some type of hook on the end of it will be helpful to remove this part. At this time, I am going to use a dust mask and an air chuck to blow out the ring gear. Any trash or debris that may be there, this is not necessary, it's just something that I like to do. Here's our new ABS sensor, part number and price range. And it also has the instructions with it. The cable itself, and it comes with lubrication. So what we're going to do, we're going to lube insert here. You can only go but so far because it has stoppers right here. It'll stop, it'll keep from going all the way, keep from going in too far. So we'll put that on the back side, up against the back side of the sensor here. I find it best to install the insert first. What I do, I just press the insert right in the hole. I will install it about halfway. After that, I install the sensor and continue to push the sensor and the insert in together. Make sure the insert is all the way up against the hole. Just by observing the old sensor, you can pretty much tell how far it actually went into the hole. We have completed installing this end. Now we can properly mount back and secure the cable. Some areas will need to be tie strapped. Now we can connect our ABS sensor. Make sure that you properly secure the connector. In my case, I'm going to mount back the tires, remove the jack stands, and lower down the vehicle. It is very important anytime you remove your wheels that you torque your lug nuts. I am using Webco 2Box Plus to do my diagnostic and to clear out my false codes. Well, that's all you have to do to replace the rear ABS sensor on your 4300 2016 International. Now, that part number that I have given you, that part number will work for all 4 of the ABS sensors. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care. As always, God bless.